Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make Besan Burfi. This is a popular Indian sweet made with gram flour, ghee and flavored with cardamom. In this video, I will give you all the tips and tricks to make perfect burfi at home. If you are looking for such a healthy and Indian fusion recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And don't forget to share your comments in the comment section box below. And let's get started. Take butter paper, align in mold and grease it with ghee. Now first we will make a sugar syrup for our burfi. Take a pan, add half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Let the sugar melt completely in water and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. It has been 5 minutes and our sugar syrup is almost ready. Let's check the consistency. Now put a drop of sugar syrup between your thumb and index finger and pull them apart. You should see a single thread formation and this is the right consistency. So turn off the heat as soon as the syrup reaches that stage. Do not overcook the sugar syrup. Now take another pan and add half a cup of ghee into that. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 cup of besan gram flour. Now keep on stirring. The besan will clump up at first. Don't worry and keep stirring. After around 7 to 8 minutes, the besan will start to loosen up. Now add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Soon you will notice that the besan color will start turning brown, and at that time we will add the sugar syrup which we have prepared earlier. Stir until all the sugar syrup is well combined with the besan and we will cook for another 2 minutes. Now transfer the mixture to a pan lined with parchment paper. Spread it gently and smoothen out the top part. And now we will garnish it with some sliced pistachio on the top. Press it gently on the burfi. Now we will leave it for 30 minutes at room temperature. After 30 minutes, we will cut our burfi into square shape. You can see that our burfi is coming off very easily and it has got perfect texture. You can store this burfi in refrigerator and consume it up to 10 days. If you like this recipe, then please give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to share with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.